In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or delete a recovery phone number in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to consider so your account stays secure and your recovery details are up to date. First, open Gmail and sign into your account. Make sure you're actually on your inbox screen so the settings menu is available. If you're on a mobile device, consider switching to a desktop browser for the clearest view, as the layout we'll use is based on the desktop interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your inbox for the gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the quick settings panel, then choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where all the advanced options live. From there, go to the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This area houses options related to your account configuration. Scroll through and look for a section related to security or recovery options. You're looking specifically for recovery phone. When you see recovery phone, click it. Depending on your setup, you might be taken to your broader Google account settings in a new tab. That's normal since recovery details apply to your entire Google account, not just Gmail. Before you can access or change recovery information, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your Gmail password when prompted. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If you use additional sign in protections, you might see a confirmation prompt as well. Just follow the on screen instructions. Once you're in the recovery phone section, you have two options. To change the number, select the existing phone number, edit it to the new one, and save your changes.